Have you been looking for a performance sedan with reliability and styling that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack in pitch black. With bifunctional HID projector headlamps, projector LED fog lamps, 20-inch hyper black forged aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 37,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, Dodge performance pages, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, power sunroof, all powered by a 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1090A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.